Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Roxy again. I'm here with another DIY. Today, I'll be showing you how I do my version of a finger wave on my own hair. So, I am starting off with freshly washed hair. My hair is relaxed. For those of you who are not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're not, to follow me on my short hair journey plus more. So my hair is relaxed and freshly washed. I am just parting out my hair and combing it out a bit before I add my Nairobi styling foam to my hair. This styling foam has become one of my favorite mousses and styling products to use to wrap and mold my hair. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just making some S's throughout the side of my hair. This process is a lot easier for me now that my hair is a bit shorter. So I'm just creating as many waves and S's as I can using a fine-tooth rat tail comb. And this process is a lot easier if your hair is relaxed. If it's not freshly relaxed, it's still possible. It just won't come out as smooth and the comb won't run through your hair as smooth. But yeah, it does help if your hair is relaxed. Okay, so like I said, I am just making S's throughout my hair. Because the top of my hair is a little bit longer, I have to hold each wave in place. And I know this might look difficult to some of you. I'm probably making it look easy, and I completely understand because at one point I was not able to do this. So it did take a lot of practice, and over the years I kind of just got the hang of it. So I wouldn't expect you to be able to do this if it was your first time trying finger waves, but once you get more practice, then you'll get much better. And as you'll see throughout the video, I'm definitely not perfect at it. I'm just making as many waves as I can. Just doing the best that I can, basically. I did start off with the front because I thought it'd be easier because I can see the front and it would be a guide for the rest of my waves. So now I'm doing the front middle of my hair. I'm just doing the same process where I'm creating S's, but I need to hold each wave I need to hold each wave in place because I have a little bit of length at the top. Feel free to add as much mousse as you need. If you feel like your hair is drying out at certain parts or it's not waving as smooth, just add some more mousse. So as I start on the back, I started I started waving it by just feeling what I was doing. So I couldn't really see what I was doing. I did go ahead and grab a hand mirror to kind of, yeah, to basically see what the heck I was doing because I was so lost. And I just started making S's. The back is a little bit shorter, so it was easier to create finger waves, or more like S's. I didn't really use my fingers. So as you can see, as you're going to see, the back is definitely not perfect. So just do the best that you can. It is a DIY, and this short hair thing is a complete journey. So one day I'll be a lot better than this. But so far I'm just creating as many waves as I can throughout my hair. And just for some finishing touches, I'm just perfecting some of the waves at the front that I see need some fixing, like especially around my sideburns. Those are pretty easy to maneuver. Okay, so this is basically how my hair looks. Waved, but still wet. I'm pretty satisfied. This is actually my first time trying to finger wave my whole head. I usually just do the sides. Okay, so now I am just, of course, using my wrap strips to set my hair while it dries. Voila guys, here is the finished look. I absolutely thought it was necessary to add red lips and gold lids to this classic finger wave style. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're new and you want to follow me on my short hair journey, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thank you.